Welcome to our short video about the NCP exclusive remote access client and the key features. First, I would like to show you how to configure the client. You basically use the configuration wizard to enter all information which are required to establish a VPN. You can also download the configuration guides from our website at ncp-e.com to get a good overview how you can configure it and do it step by step. After you enter the configuration, you can basically establish a VPN connection and it will show you a green bar that is established. One of the key features is SSL VPN built in. To use that, you have to enable the VPN pathfinder in the profile configuration. After you enable it, the NCP client will switch back to SSL VPN or an TCP encapsulation if IPsec is blocked. If the user tries to establish a connection and IPsec doesn't work, it will automatically switch over to an TCP encapsulation. SSL VPN will always show you that in a little green icon right there. The VPN client comes with a built-in personal firewall, which you can enable on configuration firewall. The firewall, there are a couple of predefined firewall rule sets you can implement, and they apply in different zones like VPN, friendly network, unknown network. Friendly network are networks which are known as to be friendly. That means like office buildings and office networks. You can enter that either via a range like I do, or you can have a friendly network detection server to locate them. Also, you have different options like not permitting any VPN connection in friendly networks to avoid and prevent any routing issues. After you enable that, you see a little firewall icon, and now basically I'm not allowed to connect. So if we switch over to a different network, which is not a friendly network, like an, would say, hotspot, it will allow you to connect again, but it also locks down all other parameters depending on your firewall rule set. After the operating system gets the information, it switches it, and you can establish the connection again. The VPN client comes with a couple different connection modes, so depending on your requirements, you can have the connection built automatically, manual, or always, depending on some kind of interactions or actions going on. You can really choose which one you want to use. Another key feature is the Windows pre-logon. That means you're able to establish a VPN connection before the actual Windows logon. This enables you to do a domain logon even when you're not in the same network as the domain controller. After enabling the feature, you will see it will be another credential provider in your Windows credential provider list, and you can establish a connection from there. Of course, this can also be done automatically in the background, so the user is not really aware that there is a VPN client already connected, and the user just enters username and password to connect. After it's established over the Windows pre-logon, you don't need to establish it again. It's already established, so after the Windows logon, you just don't need to do it again. It already shows it. You can also customize the VPN client and add a little logo to support your users. You can do that via the file cbo.ini. This file is located in the program folder of the NCP client. You can customize and basically add your own logo and your own HTML files which have information like FAQs about VPN or who to contact if something goes wrong, and more information about the VPN environment in general. All information are in the file. As soon as you store that and you restart the graphical interface, you will see the little pop-up or the little logo on the bottom. You can also click on it, and it usually links to a local HTML file which you can define and also change. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked it, and look out for other videos to come.